Offshore injury attorney for offshore accidents. Get legal help after an offshore accident from an experienced Texas offshore injury lawyer. When an accident occurs offshore, the injuries can be devastating, life-changing, and permanent. In addition to tremendous pain and suffering, workers who are involved in an offshore accident face major medical bills, the loss of income, and more. If you or someone you care about has been injured in an offshore accident, you need to speak with an experienced Texas offshore injury lawyer as soon as possible. While the legal system can seem overwhelming, particularly when you are dealing with a serious injury, skilled hostile offshore accident attorney can guide you through every step the last process of being you to make the right decisions for you and your family members. As a offshore worker and their families, the Royals law firm has decades of experience representing victims of offshore accidents, while the technical laws governing this type of injuries can be complex. Our firm has the knowledge and resources necessary to help you recover the compensation you deserve. We will when we handle the accident case, we work to build a strong team who will carefully review and investigate facts and circumstances surrounding you. Offshore injuries, whether you have been injured in an offshore construction accident, a serious slip and fall and whirl rig drilling accident or explosion or any other type of offshore accident, we understand what you are going through. Our legal team works hard to develop a successful case against all parties responsible for your injuries. Common offshore claims covered by the Jones Act and other laws. The Jones Act and and other laws that protect offshore workers apply to all type of offshore accident. If you were injured offshore, the question is not how you were injured, but rather what kind of claim you can file. All of the most common type of offshore accidents are covered, including slips and trips. Slips and trips are common on board vessels, offshore cranes, and platforms, oil rigs, and other offshore locations. Common injury include soft tissues injury, sprays and tears, and support fracture and concussion. Falls and falls from height. Fall from height can cause several debilitating injuries if you fell down the stairs from the upper deck or from a heavy others at the scenario. You can hire a Texas conductor lawyer to help you to just figure compensation. Fall overboard can give you rise to Jomac and the other claim as well. This includes falls overboard in around ships, board, platforms, rigs, and other floating and fixed workplaces offshore. Fire and explosions on vessels, oil rigs, and other offshore workplaces can be extremely dangerous for obvious reasons. If you suffer several burns in an offshore fire explosion, you may be entitled to significant compensation.